Hey everyone, in this video we'll teach you how you can contact the Milestone Credit Card. So for this, you can launch your preferred browser and just search for Milestone Credit Card and give it a search. Select the official web page of your Milestone card. Moving on with the tutorial, there is generally two main ways to contact your Milestone Credit Card. The first one is the most common way to reach your Milestone customer service. That is to dial the number 1-800-305-0330. So by dialing this number, you can easily get access to their customer service. The customer service hours are from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time. This is from Monday through Friday. So make sure to be prepared for potential wait times, especially during peak hours. Another method is via mail. For return communication, you can send a letter to the mailing address, which is easily available if you search for it. This method is, however, slower than calling but might be useful for formal inquiries or keeping a record of your communication. You can check out the customer service portal of the Milestone website for similar articles dealing with the problem. You can check out the Milestone website, which is milestone.myfinanceservice.com. However, Milestone currently does not offer a live chat option or an online form for contacting customer service. Remember to have your account information readily available when contacting the customer service, which will demand your name, address, and the last four digits of your credit card number. And that is all for this video as well. We hope that we were able to help you.